Hi traders, welcome to Trading Talk episode 73. My name's Matt, I'm one of the traders here on the desk. In this episode, I show my traders how to build and develop portfolios using our tool, which is EA Analyser. I absolutely love using EA Analyser. It allows me to really diversify both my own trading and also how I can help my traders who I'm working with on the online intermediate workshop or as part of our Algo Trading Conference. Speaking about the conference, we've actually secured Kevin Davey, Tom Stark, and Ellie Garley, and they're going to be showing and sharing a very diversified portfolio of systems. So this Trading Talk episode is going to actually show a few of my own systems as well as my colleagues Bish's that we've done in previous Trading Talk episodes. At the conference it's going to be at a very elite level, and that's at the Sofitel on December the 15th. Any internationals who also watch these videos, please get in touch because there's a few solutions that we can certainly help you out with. I've actually just seen Kevin Davies' backtesting results that he's been able to share with us. It looks absolutely killer, as to be expected from a three-time world trading champion. Touching on the International Trading Championship now, we've just wrapped up the second sprint competition at the end of August, and now we're starting the third and final sprint competition. We've had a lot of people who have been messaging us recently who are wanting to join this final sprint competition, and they're in to win a conference ticket, in fact, which is the top prize for the winner, as well as a $10,000 IC Markets Live account. I must make mention, a big well done to Rita, who's just won the second sprint competition. She's walked away with some great prizes, and she's on the board now to be winning the overall marathon competition. So keep up the great work, Rita, and all the other traders who are on there. Make sure you give us some competition right till the end. And that's all for now. I look forward to seeing you all at the Algo Trading Conference, as well as on the International Trading Competition. Speak soon.